struggling from yeast infections, it means, and the symptoms of that is that you get itching on your private parts, or there's a thick discharge coming out, or you have this cancer source of smoke here in your mouth, in your tongue. Sometimes it's under your toes. That means that you have yeast infections. The English word is candida. It also means that you have an overgrowth of a fungal that is overgrowth in your body. It is when you have a high sugar intake. It means a lot of sugar in your body. And if you are using overuse of antibiotics. The reason why I say that, because I was diagnosed with it in 2009. That's why I know sugar is not your friend. This is what I use for a remedy. I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then I make a paste. Then I put it in where it's the problem area. Right, it's 1 teaspoon of this. I'm going to show you make a paste quickly. 1 teaspoon of my apple cider vinegar. There you are. Then I make a paste. You can, this is the things that you can buy at the Clicks or at any chemist. You get the applicator with it, and then you must put this in the applicator, press it like so, and then you must put the things up in your vagina canal. I do not do that things. Yeah, you make a paste. I'm going to show you how the paste looks like. Put more apple cider vinegar in here. Right, this is a paste. This is how the paste looks like. Right, now I'm going to use this paste. If you have, I don't have this cancer sauce now, but I'm just for demonstration. You're going to use this paste like so. You're going to put in your mouth. Maybe I have a sore here and I have a sore here. I'm going to put it in my mouth like so. And you're going to keep it like for 10 or 15 minutes, and then you're going to rinse your mouth. Then you use the spice there. You take a little bit of salt and you put it on the outside of your private parts, not on the inside. I'm not a medical doctor, but this remedy works for me. I never use it for the inside. Understand? I show you now. You must go to the chemist if you want to put it up. Go to the chemist. I'm not gonna help you with that part. This is for the outside, then it works for me. The itching stop, the smell stop of the apple cider vinegar. Right, that is the one part of this one. So you need to get your body alkaline, because your body is most acidic if you have that there. This is what I do in the morning to get my body alkaline. Yeah. I take 1 teaspoon, this is boiling water. I take 1 teaspoon of this one here, and I take 1 teaspoon of this apple cider vinegar. I can sweeten, I can do whatever I want to do it. I can put a lemon juice in here, I can put honey in here, because these two is gonna alkaline my body. It means it's gonna bring my body up to the pH level, and that will help me not to get this bacteria in my body. That is what I do. So if this video helped you, please remember this is for educational, informational purposes. I'm not a medical doctor. If these symptoms persist, it will continue going on. I'm going to use the same thing now. I put it in my water. I made it most for myself. And drink it. I didn't put it on anything. And then you must go there. Please like, comment, please rewatch these videos. It will help this channel a lot. Thank you very much. Do this remedy every in the morning, you need to, until the itching stops. But itching stop for me in 2 days, 3 days, maybe it won't stop for you in the days. You must also remember there are certain foods that you must avoid. So like frizzy drinks, sugary stuff, you must avoid it. Right? Because that will aggravate this yeast infection. Bread with yeast, you must avoid it. Because if you continue to eat those type of foods, then this situation is going to continue to be like, so you must cut out, you must change your diet, cut out certain foods out of your diet that will aggravate this fungal overgrowth in your body.